Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the disk function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is pretty simple and it's used to return the discount rate for a certain security. So it contains 5 parameters, one of them is optional. So the first will be the settlement, so it's the security settlement date. We have the maturity, which is a security maturity date, which is the date when the security will expire. We have the price or the PR, so the security's price per $100 value. Redemption, which will be the security redemption value, so per $100 once again. And finally, we have the basis that can go from 0 to 4. So it's optional and it's the type of day count basis to use. Alright, so how exactly are we going to write this function? It's pretty simple. We start with an equal sign and then you can just enter disk. Then we can open up our parentheses and we'll start with the settlement. So we have our settlement right here, which is the 10 January 2010. Then after that, we have our maturity date, which is the 10 January 2030. We have the price, which is the security price, as I said, per $100 value, so it's going to be $92. The redemption, which will be 100, so it's going to be 100 per 100. And finally, the basis, in our case, is going to be actual, so we'll just select 1. And we can run our function, and just like that, we receive the answer right here. So this is the bond discount rate for a bond that has the following parameters. So if we change one of the parameters, let's say here from 92 to, we'll go to 88, as you can see, discount price will change. So this is how we use the disk function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.